Compliance is a lot of work, and it's complicated work on top of that. It's not just looking for one number on a sheet of paper and filing it away. There's much more to it. It's made up of a lot of individual requirements followed up by checkups and follow-up emails. This sounds daunting to some, but you know what we think of compliance? We love it. At Smart Compliance, we live and breathe compliance, and we want to help make sure you are as excited about it as we are. You're probably wondering how we're able to make this difficult and time-consuming task something that our clients are excited about. Well, we begin by making sure our clients know that Smart Compliance is more than just a storage solution. Smart Compliance is an all-encompassing, self-service and full-service solution that automates certificate of insurance or proof of insurance renewals, eliminates manual data entry, and helps ensure compliance. Are you ready to begin your journey to increase compliance? Schedule a free product demo or chat live with one of our representatives. Head over to our website to check out what we have to offer. We're excited about compliance. What about you?